Cleveland's ice cream shop, Florida Miramar. Started in 2019 and still going strong. A small backstory: Mr. Smith worked at Jackson's Ice Cream Parlor for 37 years before opening his own ice cream shop. I don't know if I'm Jamaican, but I'm Caribbean. Big up to that. They have a bunch of flavors to choose from, with traditional Jamaican ice cream or Caribbean ice cream. And I believe this is the first place I actually came and saw bun and cheese ice cream. Look at that. And them have soursop as well. It's very spacious and comfortable. They also do serve vegan ice cream, so you can check that out as well. Whether it's to go or dine in, you can do either one. Now I feel like they have some great prices for quality ice cream. And here are the sizes. Cleveland's was also featured on Food Net, Deca Drive, and Good Morning America. Here's a price for 6 scoops and 2 cups. I got Oreo cheesecake and rum and raisin. Just look at how smooth that is, man. Get your sweet tooth ass over there, man.